It's Jamie at the Bead Gallery. Today I have Tinbox 27. Super exciting. Don't leave your seats because I'm going to show you how we pick things for you. Tell you a little bit about 5 of our most favorite things. This is banded red agate. I'm so thrilled. A lot of times banded red agate, you can't really see the banding, so they come like this. What I've been doing is sorting through all the strands and taking out my favorites, like the most amazing ones, like these, this, look at that. We will have a little special. You only get the best ones. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these. They're okay. They don't have the same energy, that same feel. I'm going to sort them into my favorites, the best ofs, and you will be able to get them. 3 awesome ones together. They are gorgeous. What makes this different than carnelian? Because both of them are chalcedonies. The carnelian is more cloudy. It doesn't have these fine grained lines that you see here, or even these thick lines. This would be a banded agate. I am in heaven. If you do like the non-banded red agates, reach out on WhatsApp and I will hook you up with those. What else do we have today? We got some Keshi pearls, Kyanite, and rainbow moonstone, and Charoite. These are 10mm smooth round bracelets. We only have 2 of them. You want it by the piece, WhatsApp us, and we will let you know if there's any left over. Jason and I buy everything in very small quantities. We cherry pick. We have very little of a lot of different stones. We're talking like thousands and thousands, each one handpicked. So it's curated by the both of us in very small quantities. Because when you buy the best, there's not a lot. This one we only have 2. Charoite, this is its natural purple color from the river Charo in Russia. It is gorgeous. If you need some beautiful high energy purple on your body, we recommend this. I remember this being one of the first stones I got when we opened the store, and I was so thrilled. Now we have these freshwater Keshis. Keshis are so popular now. Jason and I have loved Keshis for years. So we had the hugest Keshi collection over the years. We dug out this bag. They're like cornflakes. They have really nice nacre. They're really thick, lustrous. Look at that nacre. And that rainbow.
You guys can see it.
They're around 11 to 13 millimeters. It is tip drilled so you can make a pendant. You can make earrings. If you're going to do earrings, make sure you do a shout out to us in the notes or in WhatsApp so we can pair them for you. I do have enough that I can probably make about 10 pairs. Next, these rainbow moon was a strand and we broke it so that you could get a pair. They are deliciously chubby. They're like the thickness of a hamburger. That's a good thing. This is 26 gauge wire. I am going to move it back and forth.
There we go.
Here's a little trick. If you can't get the wire in there, size down. A lot of times if your wire is not straight, it won't go in nicely. Isn't that crazy? Just by straightening your wire, what a difference that made. All of a sudden,
They all fit.
They all fit. If you're struggling to get your wire in, that would be the tip of the day. Straighten your wire. And even as you use it, you might have to straighten it. I use the nylon jaw plier to straighten with. They're pretty. I have these kyanites to wrap up the show. They are 12 millimeters and very juicy. They're like big blueberries. Now this I would definitely think of as an investment. Ooh, at this size, you want to wear them as maybe just a focal. You can drill it out a little bit bigger on the hole and put a chain through it, or just wire wrap it and connect it to the chain that way. Look at that. These are some very nice blueberries. So pretty. That was the red agate, the rainbow moonstone, some Keshi pearls, some delicious kyanite. Look at these gorgeous purple charites. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week, every Friday.